Okay, so before we start, we just want to tidy this linear equation just to make our lives a little bit easier. So we're going to multiply everything by 4 so that we can get rid of the fraction. So minus a half times 4 is minus 2x. A quarter y times 4 is going to be just y. And then minus 4 times 4 is going to be minus 16. And that's my linear equation. I'm going to express y in terms of x. So y will stay on the left hand side. I'm going to add a 2x to both sides to give me 2x minus 16. I'm going to sub this value of y then into the non-linear equation. So we have x squared plus, now y we're going to replace with 2x minus 16, and we're going to square that, minus 4x minus 6, and again y we're going to replace with 2x minus 16 equals 52. I have x squared plus, now squaring out the brackets, square the first we get 4x squared, square the last, minus 16 squared is plus 256, and then twice the product is minus 32x, and then twice that is minus 64x. Then I have my minus 4x, minus 6 by 2x is minus 12x, and then minus 6 times minus 16 is plus 96. I'm going to bring this minus 52 over to the left hand side, so by subtracting 52 from both sides, because I know I want a quadratic, and a quadratic has to be equal to 0 to be able to solve it. So in terms of x squareds, I have an x squared and a 4x squared, and that gives me 5x squared. I have minus 64x minus 4x minus 12x, which is minus 80x. And then I have 256 plus 96 minus 52, which is plus 300, and this is equal to 0. I can factorize this quadratic, or to make it simpler, I can divide across by 5. So I get x squared minus 16x plus 60 equals 0. I'm going to open up two sets of brackets, and I have an x, and 10 by 6 gives me 60. So the inner two multiplied give me 10x, the outer two multiplied give me 6x, and if you have minus 10x minus 6x, we get minus 16x, the middle term. So this is the correct factorization. I'm going to let each bracket equal 0, so x minus 10 equals 0, and x minus 6 equals 0. If x minus 10 equals 0, well then x is equal to 10, and if x minus 6 equals 0, then x is equal to 6. So I've found my two values for x. I'm going to sub them back into the rearranged linear equation y equals 2x minus 16, one at a time. So first of all, subbing in x equals 10, I get that y is equal to 2 by 10 minus 16, y is equal to 20 minus 16, y is equal to 4. So when x is 10, y is 4, and that's one set of solutions. When x equals 6, y is equal to 2 by 6 minus 16, y is equal to 12 minus 16, y is equal to minus 4. And so when x is equal to 6, y is equal to minus 4. And so we have two sets of solutions for this simultaneous equation.